Hi there, Michelle from the Junk Journal Studio. I am doing a flip through of set 2 of the 38 Distressed Vertical Everyday Words. The backgrounds for set 2 are a creamy vintage color. The words come in 4 sizes, 8 colors, and you get a bunch of bonus tags and tabs, and it is 56 pages. So let's just get started here. So we have red, tiny, and these are just beautiful. I really, really love how the tabs and the tags turned out in this set. Super pretty. Small, and then there's 2 pages for medium. And then we have large, and there's 3 pages for the large. And then we have purple. And as you can see, there's a lot of words that, all of these words really can be used any time of the year, because we have things like happy and happiness, and faith, aspire, journal, journey, memories, lovely. Yeah, so just a great one to have throughout the entire year. Small, medium, and large. Pink. It's just so pretty. And also just a tip, once you cut out the little bonuses, just put them on your scanner for your printer and just like fill your scanner bed up and just scan them and save them in your computer, and then you don't have to print out all the words to get the elements again. You can print them out whenever you need them. And there's the blue. Black. There's no background on this one, so you can print this one on any color paper, tea stain paper, or yeah, just different mixed media papers you might have, any paper really, and then you can get the background of that paper under the words, so that's really nice. Lots of options. Turquoise. And then we have the black border with the background. And that's it. So that's the last page. However, I just want to bring in, so this is set 2 that we just flipped through. I want to bring in the exact same page in set 1 so that you can kind of compare and see the difference. So this is set 2 and we just have the creamy vintage color. And this is set 1. And you can see that there's a lot more yellow undertones with this one. So just depending on what project you're working on will determine which one you would prefer best, but that's the difference. It's hard to see on screen sometimes. So yeah, so that is the set 2 of the 38 Distressed Vertical Everyday Words with a creamy vintage background. You can find the listing in my Etsy shop, and it'll be in the description box below. Thank you. Bye.